Hello, I'm Rob with Custom Fabricating Solutions. Today we're introducing a new product. This is zero clearance table insert. There'll be a link in the description below for this product. It'll take you to our website where you can take a look at it. Today we're just going to show you installing this, how simple it is. You know, to save time, we've removed the screws that hold the insert in. We'll go ahead and take the factory one out and throw in the zero clearance insert. We recommend that you put your screws in, start them if you can, if they're long enough, start them in by hand, just so you know you get them started right. They are a very small, fine threaded screw. Definitely don't use a power driver. We recommend just using a regular Phillips screwdriver. Get them so they're just snug and flush below the surface. Straight. I'll just start that one by hand. There we go. And that's it. You're installed. This fits these models right here of saw. That's as easy as it is. We're making it easier here at Custom Fabricating Solutions. And don't settle for less. Choose CFS. Thank you.